Hola chicos, bienvenidos al día 2 de hacer mapas. Hoy vamos a localizar las características físicas de los Estados Unidos. Ustedes van a aprender muchos lugares como los Montes Laurentos, las planicies del Atlántico, las montañas rocosas, pero todo esto lo van a practicar en inglés. Entonces voy a cambiar yo mi idioma al inglés para que ustedes entiendan cómo es. We are going to practice using the same website that we were using yesterday, and I think that you guys familiar yesterday with this map that I have here. You're going to be looking at the different places that you need. And as you press on your left, it is going to appear
interior plane
where the region, the physical feature appears in the map. You're going to learn where they are because the next level is going to be for you to put it on the map. Ideally, you will learn especially
Rocky Mountain System,
these parts.
Intermontane Plateau,
The Rocky Mountains, the Intermountain Plateau. I want you to also learn the Pacific Mountain Systems and the
Appalachian
Highlands.
Highlands.
This is very important. Less common questions, but just as important, are going to be the Interior Highlands.
Interior Highlands.
It is important for you to notice them because that is why the Mississippi River and the Missouri River are going to meet together here. Okay. Otherwise, the Missouri River would have continued until it connects down towards with the Red River down here. Okay. So these are the main things. Now, one thing that I loved about this is that you will find
Alaskan bush.
What are the parts of the Alaskan features. So there is going to be the Alaskan bush,
Alaskan interior,
the interior, the South Central
Alaska.
Very important, the
Aleutian
Islands and the Alaskan Panhandle.
Alaskan Panhandle.
Okay, and
Hawaiian
of course,
Islands.
you cannot forget Hawaii. Now, you have to remember that Alaska is actually not down here by Mexico. It's actually on top of Canada, so it's on another part. And then the Pacific Islands, the Hawaiian Islands, are not going to be by Alaska or by Mexico. They are actually almost on the other side of the world. It's just that for the sake of the map, we are going to have them here represented. Bueno, good luck. So just like yesterday, you're going to have a few links. The second link is going to be for you to actually find where are the different places, but I have a different challenge for you. Once you're done with the tutorial and with the level 1, you are going to go to the next level, and that is going to be a tutorial for the lakes and rivers of the United States. This is very important because it makes you realize where do we get our water from. So pay attention to those ones, and you will make connections tomorrow once we start with the states. So good luck. Again, I want you to have at least 95% in order to go to the next level. And make sure that you are informing us how you're doing by putting a picture on your screen.